Hello, in this video I will show you how I was trying to fix some issues with my Atlassian Forge application for Jira. What I'm going to show you in this video. So I will show what issues have been identified by Claude Code, actions which I took, Claude Code challenges, manual fixes which I had to apply, the deployment outcome, and my conclusion. Okay, let's start. So first of all, what Claude Code found? Code found unsafe CSP configuration. I had unsafe inline and unsafe hashes in my manifest.yaml file, and the Claude Code said that it's a high issue and I need to fix it. Why it was in manifest.yaml? Because previously Atlas Kit could not work, could not render the styles correctly for Atlas Kit components. So that's why I had to add unsafe inline. But right now, let's try to get rid of it and let's see how it works now. The next one, Claude Code identified that I had too low version for React component, which could potentially have some security issues, and I had style components version mismatch. And I decided to fix these bugs, these issues. First of all, I asked Claude Code to update React dependency and make it 18. As a result, Claude Code updated not only React dependency, but also React DOM, and also it updated style components. Okay, that's fine. I had two projects in my application as front-end screens, one for admin and the other one for projects. And it updated in both of the projects, so it could identify all of the projects and updated it correctly. So that was the first project, this one is the second project. Nice. Also, it understood that it had to add create root, which was really cool. And then it said that everything is solved. The next one, I asked Claude Code to get rid of unsafe inline and unsafe hash. As a result, it provided something like this in the manifest.yaml file. It removed unsafe inline and unsafe hash, but instead it added self. But I said to Claude Code to remove it completely, and it did it correctly. When Claude Code removed and made all the changes, it built everything by itself, and it said that everything was correct. That's why all I had to do, I had just to deploy the application to Atlassian and then see the result. And here is the result. As you can see, the add field button does not have styles. And also in the title, we have some kind of black circle, which is also doesn't look good. That's why what I tried to do, I went back to my project and tried to build one of the sub-projects in my application. I started with project settings, and then when I started to do it, I saw an error that my Atlas Kit button used React version 16, but I had in my dependency already React 18. And that's the first problem. That's why what I said to Claude Code, first of all, I told Claude Code to update all dependencies which start with Atlas Kit to the latest versions. And second, I also asked Claude Code to update all dependencies which start with Forge to the latest version. Claude Code started to do it. Then Claude Code found a couple of issues. The first one with view context, it fixed it. The second one with typing, it also fixed it. So basically, you can see right now in the screen the error. So Claude Code fixed it well. But I didn't let it build the project again because last time it built it incorrectly. I built everything myself, and when I deployed the application, I could see a screen like this. As you can see, add field button again doesn't have styles, but we don't have the black circle anymore, so something really helped. That's why I decided to ask Claude Code again, that I cannot see styles for the button in UI, what can be the problem? The Claude Code made fixes like this, so it just made a couple of adjustments, and again, I built everything myself, and I deployed everything to Atlassian. And the first screen, as you can see, the add field button started to be right now on the right side of the screen, but the style of the button is just great. It's good. It's the same as it is in Atlassian. But when I started to use my application in the project menu, I was able to see that the buttons were not correct. You can see the styles of the style of the cancel button is not correct. And that's why I decided to do everything manually by myself. So what I did, because what Atlassian changed, Atlassian added a new package called new. So if you want to use the new version of a component with the new version of Atlas Kit button, you need to use new, and loading button doesn't exist anymore. And that's what I did. So I imported button from button new and remove loading button. So all occurrences of loading button, I changed to just button. Then after it, I deployed the changes, and at this time, everything was good. So conclusion, Claude Code failed to fully resolve issues. First of all, it could not build the project correctly. Secondly, it wasn't able to understand why styles of the buttons were not correct. And so, in my opinions, it would be much easier to do everything without Claude Code at all. And as a result, it took me 2.5 hours to fix everything with Claude, but I think it would took me about 30 minutes to fix it manually. Yeah, manual resolution was more efficient. But actually, I wasn't very much surprised about it, because I worked with other AI agents, and in my experience, all AI agents do not work well with Atlas Kit. That's why in the next video I will take some other issues from my project, and I will try to fix again with Claude Code, and let's see how Claude Code is able to fix the issues. That's all for the video. Thank you. Bye.